Hello students, in this video we will discuss about economic importance of algae. Economic importance of algae. This is one of the microbes or microorganism. The microorganism in this lesson, the economic importance of algae we will discuss about, and then page number 88. Why here mentioning that page number means because of if you have the textbook, you take and see that page number. After that watching your videos, you keep with your textbooks, you see that once you easily understood that concept. That's purpose that mentioned in page number. See the economic importance of algae. That means nothing but very simple. What are the usage of algae? Where utilizing that algae? Which algae they are utilizing? What purpose they want to utilize? So the commercial values. What is that? Commercial values. Economic means that's a commercial. வணிக ரீதியாக நம்ம எங்க பயன்படுத்துறோம்? ஜெனரலா சொல்லணும் அப்படினா வணிக ரீதியா பயன்படுத்தக்கூடிய ஆல்கைகள் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம இந்த ஆல்கைகளை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். First one we will discuss about in first food. Food. See here the presence of the algae consumed the food material. That means the algae is consumed by a people. இந்த ஆல்கே ஆனது ஒரு சில கண்ட்ரியில மக்களால் உணவுக்காக பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. அப்போ என்னென்ன ஆல்கே எல்லாம் அங்க பயன்படுத்துறாங்க? What are the algae that utilized or which are the utilized? Hulva, spirulina, chlorella, and then etc. They are having in some algae. What are that? See, algae are consumed as food by the people, food consumed. So where this utilizing means then food consumed. Consumed as food. Why I am writing means because of everyone want to take notes. Still somebody is not buying the textbook. That's why I am writing this. In case if you have the textbook means you easily understood. That's the reason still we are not started online class, live class. If you have the once a textbook everyone keeping means thereafter I will start the live class, you easily understood. Okay. See, everyone want to take notes. Properly want to maintain classes of notes. See, the food consumed as food. That means the food industry algae they are consumed. Food by a people. By a people. Where? Which country? They are having in some countries. What are that? Just we have mentioned in some countries name. Japan and England, USA and India, some etc. And then which algae they are utilizing for food purpose? What are that? They are having in some algae. The first one Hulva, and then chlorella, and next spirulina, and etc. See, just you have to write the food industrials or food purpose also they are utilized in algae, which are that means that they are Hulva, chlorella, spirulina and etc. This utilized for food purpose by a people. And second one agriculture. Agriculture industries also they are utilized in algae. Agriculture, some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. That means blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, you know that the very short form is BGA. That is the short form of BGA. Cyanophyceae. Before that, before class, they are classified the some group of the algae on the basis of pigment. They are classified in blue-green algae in first one. That is the Cyanophyceae. See, this is the B for blue, G for green, A for algae. So, blue-green algae. This essential for fixation of nitrogen. How that fixes that nitrogen means because of you know very well the nitrogen is present in atmosphere in maximum percentage. That means that much of the amount that present. but any plants is not utilizing directly. Any plant is not utilizing directly. Then how you using the nitrogen means that before that they want to involve in some process. That is a nitrogen process. That means the nitrogen want to the converted to the some chemical product. After that only will take that plant. Like that, there have the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increase the fertility of the soil. That means which increase the fertility of the soil. Fertility means that place the present in nutrient. The maximum or enough of level the nutrient that are present. Fertility soil. You easily understood after the raining season. After the raining season, just you watch the road corner side. There they are having in way the water flowing way. And the தண்ணி ஓடக்கூடிய தடம் தெரியும். அந்த தண்ணி ஓடக்கூடிய தடம் பாரு. The finally go and settle in then some slope area. அப்ப எங்க ஒரு பள்ளம் இருக்கோ அந்த ஸ்லோப்ல போயிட்டு அது ஸ்டோர் ஆயிடும். The outer surface the presence of the soil in very smooth. Particularly where storing that water, that upper surface of the land only present in very smooth. Very softly they are present because of that's present in fertile. Maximum nutrient they are present. They are collecting from in various areas because of the water for coming from in various regions. ஒரு அங்கங்க இருந்தது எல்லா இடத்துல இருந்தும் ஒரு பள்ளத்தை நோக்கி தண்ணி வரும்போது அந்த தண்ணி அடிச்சுன்னு வரும். தண்ணி ட்ரை ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் பாருங்க அந்த மேல் பகுதியெல்லாம் லைட்டா brownish கலர்ல இருக்கும், black கலர்ல இருக்கும். ஏன்னா அது fertile soil. That means they are present in nutrient. Like that, the atmospheric nitrogen they are present. But that nitrogen is fixed in soil. That is, they are utilized in agriculture. They are used in some algae. Which algae they are utilized means that is nostoc. We are utilizing this fixing of atmospheric nitrogen. Fixing atmospheric nitrogens. What are that? Algae that are present in example algae in nostoc and then Hanabina. Nostoc and Hanabina. This nostoc and Hanabina they are involved in nitrogen fixation, the atmospheric nitrogen. And then next agar agar. Third one agar agar. Agar agar means the nothing but that is one of the medium. They are utilized in where utilizing this agar agar medium means they are utilized in tissue culture. The tissue culture process. Agar agar is extracted from some red algae. So where to getting from this agar agar means that is getting from red algae. Which algae? Red algae. Red algae also before the classified the presence of the pico erythrin. That's the responsibility of the rhodophyceae. And then which algae this? Red algae. Where to getting from this agar agar? In red algae. And then this namely what are the species? The exactly they are having some species. What are that? Gelidium. What are that? Gelidium or Gelidium and Crassilaria. Gelidium and Crassilaria that agar agar getting from in red algae or rhodophyceae. What are the species? Gelidium or Gracilaria. And then which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Before that I told you know that is a medium. That means the growth medium. அதாவது ஒரு செல்லை நம்ம உற்பத்தி பண்ணணும், ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா அங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசத்தை உற்பத்தி ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு மீடியமா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். That means growth medium. They are having in some mediums M type, M medium, S medium, N medium like that. So like that medium will prepared in agar agar. Where this medium utilizing means the laboratory. So this is the preparation of the medium which is used to prepare growth medium. Used in laboratory. This is used in laboratory. Somebody is rising. Agar agar medium we are utilizing. Agar agar is a derived from. Agar agar is a dash kind of the algae like that. So the agar agar mediums the getting from in Gelidium or Gracilaria, that is the red algae or Rhodophysi. This agar agar prepared growth medium. This growth medium we are utilizing laboratory. And the next iodine. Next one iodine. See, iodine is obtained from brown algae. So which algae obtained the iodine means just what to write brown algae. That is Poiophysi. This also before the classified in Poiophysi. Which algae this responsibility iodine? Brown algae. Brown algae, like which plants they are present in Laminaria. Which one? Laminaria. Laminaria. See the very simple iodine also that present. Iodine want to produce means there is some algae they are utilizing. Which algae means that is the brown algae or Poiophysi. The example plant in Laminaria. And then algae in space travel. And next one space travel. Space travel. You know that space means na விண்வெளிக்கு போறாங்க இல்லீங்களா, அந்த விண்வெளிக்கு போகும்போது விண்வெளி ஆராய்ச்சியாளர்கள் அவங்க இத ஒரு உணவுப் பொருளாகவும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. The Chlorella pyrenoides is used in spacesuit travel to get rid of CO2 and decompose human wastage. That means this kinds of the material that taking means they are released in human waste. You know that human waste also the decomposed in human waste. So this is a good example for in Chlorella pyrenoides or pyrenoides is used in the spacesuit travels. Spacesuit travels means nothing but அந்த விண்வெளி பயணத்துல போகக்கூடியவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. இது எதுக்கு அப்படின்னா it get rid of CO2 and decompose human waste. The main purpose the rid CO2, get rid of CO2 and decompose human wastes. And then next the SCP, single cell protein. Next one single cell protein. The short form is SCP. SCP the full form single cell protein. Single cell protein. See, some of the single cell algae and blue green algae are used to produce protein. The example Chlorella and Spirulina. Very simple. Single cell protein, that means some of single cell algae, they are mentioned single cell algae, they are utilized produced protein. That which are the algae or which are the plant that are mentioned in Chlorella and Spirulina. Chlorella and Spirulina. See, very simple. The economic importance of the algae. What are the usages? What are the importance that present in algae? The first one, food. That food utilized. That means the consumed food by a peoples. அப்போ இத ஒரு உணவாவும் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க யார் அப்படினா மக்கள். Some countries, Japan, England, USA and India also, some peoples the algae are consumed by a food. And then which plants or which algae they are utilizing? Ulva, Chlorella, Spirulina. What are that? vulva, chlorella, spirulina. And next one, agriculture field. Agriculture field, there also they are utilized in blue-green algae. That algae, what is the main function? They are fixing atmosphere nitrogen. Atmospheric itself, the presence of the nitrogen, they want to fix it in the soil. அப்போ அந்த சாயில்ல அந்த நைட்ரஜனை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றதுக்காக இந்த ப்ளூ கிரீன் ஆல்கே யூட்டிலைஸ் ஆகுது. The which one? Nostoc and Anabaena. There are two algae and etc. And next one, agar-agar. Agar-agar is one of the plant growth medium. This agar-agar is the getting from red algae or rhodophysi. They are having in some species. What are that? That is Gracilaria or Gerardia. This utilized plant growth medium in laboratory. Laboratory field la idu oru valarpu udagama payanpaduthuvaanga. And next, iodine. They are produced in iodine. The responsibility of the algae in brown algae. That means Phaeophysi. Brown algae or Phaeophysi. The responsibility of the species in Laminaria. Which one? Laminaria. And then algae in space travel. Space travel means you know then that bus travel or the public transport like that. அப்போ நம்ம பஸ்ஸில் போகிறவங்களெல்லாம் பப்ளிக் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டில் போயினுக்கிறாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஸ்பேஸ் ரிசர்ச்சில் இன்வால்வ் ஆகக்கூடிய சயின்டிஸ்ட் எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா பூமியிலேருந்து அந்த ஸ்பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு போவாங்க. அப்போ அவங்க போகும்போது உணவாக எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. தட்ஸ் அ ரீசன் யூஆர் மென்ஷனிங் ஸ்பேஸ் travel. There utilized some algae. What are that? Chlorella and first one the Chlorella pyronoidism. This one they are utilizing. This they are having the two functions. What that? Get rid of CO2 and decompose human wastes. Human wastes enna panadana decompose பண்ணுது. And then SCP. SCP means very simple. That is a single cell protein. So some single cell algae produced protein. That algae single cell algae or single cell protein. See which one means Chlorella and Spirulina. This Chlorella and Spirulina will produce in protein.